Welcome back. In this first riveting clip, we have a shocking incident caught on a Ring doorbell camera. Watch as an audacious intruder gains unauthorized access to a homeowner's property by skillfully jumping through the fence. Once inside, he wastes no time and begins a brazen search for valuable items. In this gripping Ring doorbell footage, we witness two individuals execute a heart-pounding heist by fearlessly leaping over a fence to gain illicit entry into an unsuspecting homeowner's residence. These brazen thieves are on a mission to snatch valuable possessions, completely disregarding the sanctity of personal property. In this astonishing clip, we observe a man engaging in some suspicious activity as he lays his eyes on items that clearly don't belong to him. With unwavering determination, he deftly passes one of the pilfered items through a hole in the barricade, showcasing his cunning skills. Another intriguing Ring doorbell clip. In this extraordinary footage, we witness a man meticulously surveying his surroundings with a calculated gaze, as if he's planning his every move. With a sense of purpose, he confidently strides onto someone's porch, eyeing a valuable bike left unattended. As the tension builds, he carefully evaluates the situation before making his move. Ring doorbell clip that will leave you in awe. In an audacious move, he skillfully slips his hand through the gap in the gate, grabbing the item with lightning speed, and vanishes. It's a theft that Hitchcock himself would be proud of. In this breathtaking footage, we witness a man tiptoeing with utmost stealth towards a garage, as if straight out of a spy movie. His eyes locked onto a tempting prize, someone's motorcycle left unguarded. With lightning-fast precision, he seizes the opportunity and makes a daring escape with the stolen motorcycle, disappearing into the night like a phantom. In this suspenseful Ring doorbell footage, a man boldly strolls onto someone's porch, eyeing a valuable item. Brimming with confidence, he makes an attempt to snatch it, but little does he know that it's securely locked down. Watch as luck evades him, leaving him empty-handed and thwarted in his pursuit. In this captivating footage, a woman is caught in the act as she approaches a house with apparent intentions. However, in a surprising twist, she changes her course and diverts her attention to an item left enticingly outside.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
In this heart-pounding footage, two men clad in hoodies are spotted in a daring act as they scope out a compound. With calculated intent, they explore potential vulnerabilities in their quest to breach an apartment's defenses. Watch closely as their audacious attempts unfold, revealing a cat-and-mouse game of strategy and stealth. In this eye-opening footage, we witness a passing lady stumble upon an item left outside someone's house. Without hesitation, she seizes the opportunity, snatches the item, and swiftly makes her exit. In this intriguing footage, two young boys are captured in a suspenseful act as they approach a door, knocking to determine if anyone's home. With curious anticipation, they discreetly peer around the corner, gauging whether the owner will answer and the door will swing open. In this heart-racing footage, a man brazenly walks up to a car, his intentions clear. With a determined demeanor, he makes an audacious attempt to break in, unaware that the vigilant owner has secured the car. In this captivating footage, a lady approaches a door with a purposeful stride. With a mixture of anticipation and determination, she raises her hand and knocks, her gaze fixed on the entrance. Her facial expression hints at a hidden intention, adding an air of mystery to the scene. In this gripping footage, a figure boldly steps onto someone's porch, his intentions shrouded in mystery. With a careful scan of his surroundings, he stealthily peeks around, ensuring the coast is clear. But the true surprise comes as he strategically removes the light bulb, plunging the area into darkness to conceal his identity. As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.